Curtis Funky, CDK Farms, Caldwell, Idaho.
Carmen Whitworth, co-owner, CDK Farms, organic seed production.
We found it easy to align with Back to the Roots in that they are really promoting home gardening and U.S. sourced seeds.
We bought our farm in 2006. It was important that we farm that property the way that we wanted to farm it.
You have to have a passion for growing organically. It takes an extra amount of effort. You have to be patient and love what you're doing.
I think it's important that people understand not just how their seed is grown, but also where it's being grown and the same soils that your home garden is going to use. If gardening appeals to you, it doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter if you're 5 or if you're 90. There's something about a seed. There's something about planting a seed and knowing that that seed will sprout and grow and turn into something usable or pretty.